With Kejriwal ji having now more time to spare, what will be his focus on now?
I think that soon Kejriwal ji would be able to tell you himself. He is currently in Vipassana, and once he comes from Vipassana, then yes, I am sure the people of the country will see what his focus will be.
We're noticing your presence in Goa a lot now. Is Goa going to be 2027 elections going to be a
No,
focus for you?
absolutely. Aam Aadmi Party is gearing up for 2027 elections, and before that, we are going to be contesting the Zilla Parishad elections as well as the municipal elections that are coming up.
We wait for now Aam Aadmi Party after your Delhi election setback.
See, the question is not what is the way ahead for Aam Aadmi Party. The question is what is the way ahead for the people of this country. Aam Aadmi Party represents the voice of people to whom government does not deliver. Aam Aadmi Party in the past 10 years in Delhi has shown that if you have an honest government, then the people can get free electricity, 24/7 electricity, water in their homes, high quality education, high quality healthcare. So Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi and Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab have shown that governments can deliver. So I think that is the bigger question. Then Aam Aadmi Party represents the voice of the common person who was not, whom it didn't make any difference to whether governments came, whether governments went. Nothing in their lives used to ever change. So the question is not what happens to Aam Aadmi Party. The question is what happens to the people of Delhi. Already, BJP has announced that they are going to close down 250 mohalla clinics. Already, the BJP has announced that they are going to stop free medicines and people will have to start paying for medicines. It is now only a matter of time. Arvind Kejriwal had warned that if Aam Aadmi Party loses, then the price of electricity will go up, power cuts will start. Government schools, the quality of education will once again become bad as it used to be. That free healthcare will stop, and we can already see that that is happening.
But despite of that, people have reposed faith in BJP.
See, I think people have reposed faith in BJP for 2-3 reasons. I think that this is something that the BJP had been planning for many years. For the last 3-4 years, if you see, systematically works of the Aam Aadmi Party government was stopped. All Aam Aadmi Party leaders were put in jail. Even if you look at the election that has happened in Delhi, right from manipulation of voter rolls by the election commission, to the misuse of the police, misuse of election machinery, intimidation of the voters. This is an election that what happened in Delhi, people of Delhi have never seen before. And despite all of this, there is only a 2% vote share difference between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Aam Aadmi Party has got 43% votes, BJP has got 45% votes. So it is very clear that still a very large segment of the people of Delhi have shown faith in Aam Aadmi Party and the work that we have done. But yes, now BJP is in power, and it is now their responsibility to deliver to the people of Delhi. And we can see that just in the beginning, right at the start of their tenure, they have failed to deliver on their most important promise of 2,500 rupees a month for all the women of Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji had promised before the elections that on 8th of March, Women's Day, all women of Delhi will get the first installment of the Mahila Samman Yojana in their bank accounts. 8th March has come and gone. Forget getting the first installment into their bank accounts, even the registration for the scheme has not started. So what does this go to show? It goes to show that it was a false promise. It goes to show that BJP has no intention of delivering on the promises that they made. And I personally believe that the people of this country will also take a lesson from this, that don't trust the promises that Prime Minister Narendra Modi makes before the elections.
When you are talking of 2% difference in Delhi, what is your thought on this? Because in many constituencies, Congress candidates polled more votes than the victory margin of BJP. At least in 13-14 candidates, candidates have lost by a narrow margin. Where BJP, because of Congress candidates have cut into their, got more votes.
But Congress has hardly got any votes in Delhi, maybe 6%, 7%.
Whatever it may be, but they
so
were.
it is very clear that Congress does not have a presence in Delhi, and people of Delhi have shown this is the third consecutive assembly
Yeah.
where Congress has got 0 seats.
Zero. But they have damaged your candidates. Now victory margin have been in some.
See, when multiple parties are fighting, this is bound to happen. That some will get some votes, some will get more votes, less votes. But I think the overall takeaway is that the people of Delhi have no faith in the Congress. For the third consecutive election, they got 0 out of 70 seats,
They failed to open.
despite having been in power in Delhi for 15 years. So I think that really goes to show what people of Delhi think about the Congress party.
How would be our approach for Goa in 2027 elections when there is already dissent between the Congress up over on the ground?
Aam Aadmi Party is preparing to contest the elections on her own. The upcoming Zilla Parishad elections, Aam Aadmi Party will be contesting on its own as the municipality elections. And yes, even for the assembly elections, Aam Aadmi Party is preparing to contest elections.
You are preparing, but will there be any possibility of seat sharing or pre-poll alliance?
As of now, Aam Aadmi Party will be contesting on their own. Also, what does alliance with Congress mean? Last time they won 11 seats. 8 of their MLAs left Congress party and joined the BJP. How can anyone trust the Congress party? How can someone was asking me about them being a like-minded party. Whom are you like-minded with? When 80% of their MLAs, and not the first time, second time this has happened.
But even after Delhi election, your MLAs have been talking that it is time that we come and work together, or even we can discuss on pre-poll alliance if you want to defeat the BJP in the next
Aam
election.
Aadmi Party will be contesting elections on our own.
Okay. What would be your take on this India bloc which was formed ahead of Lok Sabha election 2024? Is it gradually fading away?
I think the future of the India bloc remains.